If you want to search by image on Samsung Galaxy S26, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use circle to search. So to activate circle to search, you just have to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen or on the home button that we have at the bottom of the screen if you use buttons for navigation instead. And now you can just tap on the subject that should be used as a reference, and then you have the Google search result of that. And in addition to that, instead of tapping on a subject, you can also draw a shape around it in order to select the area. You can still adjust the area further if needed, if you want to make some adjustments here and there. And you can get Google search results with visual matches. You can also search for exact matches if that's what you're looking for, or you can get some information about this image. And circle to search can be used pretty much anywhere. For example, if we go to the gallery, and if you have like some photos or something that you want to use as a reference, then of course you can use that as well, and you can select the area and you can search for that image in here, or search with the help of this image just like that. Besides that, I believe we also have the Google Lens option, although I'm not sure if it's available in here. If we have the Photos app, although it might not be available, it might not be pre-installed. Okay, nevertheless, if you use, for example, the Google search bar, you can find Google Lens, which can also be used. And in this case, you can search with your camera, not just with your image, but also with the camera. So be sure to check that out. Over here, we can also tap on the gallery in order to search with the image once again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.